Model, 2019 VAUXHALL Combo Cargo 1.5D Long MOT Euro 6 Spares OR Repairs. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 90,270. MOT, 19 June 2024. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 turbo 130 PSS, S. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing chain has snapped. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, first to see will definitely buy. Features, 1 former keeper, full service history, electric windows, air con, parking sensors, cruise control, reversing camera. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,995. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.